Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club. We are actually in Durban, right? We're in Durban, Durban Cruise Port. Durban Cruise Port. We have actually arrived this morning at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. And the cruise ship will leave from Durban. Now, from here, we are now going to be leaving South Africa. From here, we are going to be leaving South Africa. We are going to be out of South Africa. All right. We're going far, far to another city. All right. Another city. All right. We're going to another city. Where we're going, it will take about 9 days before we can arrive in another city. All right. So this is what we call exploring the world. All right. If you want to explore the world, book a cruise ship. With a cruise ship, you are able to have a lot of things. You can do a lot of things with a cruise ship. You can do a lot of things. So these are the crew members. We are in Durban because now we have to go do immigrations. So each and everyone, including the cruise members, the staff, the cleaners, the waiters, the pilots. No, not pilots. What is this? The guys that's I don't know what do they call them. What do they call it? Those ones who are wearing white. They are the ones who actually propel the cruise ship, right? So everyone, including them, they have to come and stamp their passport, showing that they have been here and they've got passport, they've got visas. If they don't have visas, they cannot go. They are not allowed to enter South Africa. So we, as South Africans, we have to go and stamp our passport, showing that now we are going out of South Africa. While we're in Cape Town, they didn't require us to do that because it was not. We're not going out of South Africa. We cruised from Cape Town on the 2nd. We cruised the whole night and the whole day. And then we arrived on the following day in PE, right, Port Elizabeth, right? And from Port Elizabeth, we cruised the whole day, the whole night, the whole day, the whole night. Then we arrived in Durban at 8 o'clock. So we are going to be departing later this evening. So now, that's why the passport need to be stamped by immigrations, showing that you are out of South Africa. And when we come back, we are going to be when we come back via Dubai, we are going to be getting another stamp in Dubai, back to South Africa, right? So via a flight. Okay? So it's like that. So when you travel, you get a chance to be able to go out and be able to do a lot of things. That's how it is. That's how it is. So all of us, it's mandatory for all of us to be out. All the staff, all the passengers, or the crew members must also be out for their passport to be stamped. As you can see, those ones are checking their papers. See there. So they are very strict, guys. Even when you are on the cruise ship, you have to go out and get your passport stamped. You cannot go out of South Africa, because when you arrive in another country, let's say maybe in Dubai, they are going to ask you, they're going to check your passport, only to find that the passport is not stamped. So meaning you did not report that you're going out of South Africa. So that will be an issue. So that is why they have to stamp the passport. Right. So here, this is our room, guys. This is our room. Our room. This is where we sleep. This is where we sleep. They haven't made up our bed. Yeah, I'll fix my bed. They haven't made up our bed. This is another bed where if you've got a child or you've got a third person, the person can sleep in this bed. Right. So that's how it is. And there you've got your table where you can sit and do your makeup. If you're a woman, do your makeup. You can look at yourself as a man and see if you dressed up nicely, you look good or not. You get my point. So that's very important. So that is our balcony. Our balcony. You can put your things. They've got a lot of nice decorations there. There's wardrobe. These are wardrobes. These are towels.
Yeah.
Towels. This is a toilet. You can sit and relax. Yeah. My wife is saying I'm paparazzi. What is paparazzi? I don't know what is paparazzi. You guys can maybe tell me on the comment. What is paparazzi? Yeah, right. So here you can put your Colgate, your toothbrush and everything. You've got a mirror there, you've got a shower there. Such a very beautiful thing. Oh, paparazzi is that one. Okay. All right. So, and here, you see there's a towel, nice towels here. Nice towels. You understand? So, let me see if I dressed up nicely. I am dressed up nicely. Am I dressed up nicely? Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think so. I'm looking at my wife. She's shaking her head. So, which means I'm not dressed up nicely. So, this is the room, guys. And this is our TV. We are docked. This is the back of the ship. We are docked in Durban. Right. Then you can see this is my luggage. Right. Okay. Then let me wear my cap. When I'm wearing my cap, maybe I look better. I wear my cap. Maybe when I'm wearing my cap, I look better. Let me look at myself with my cap. Am I looking better? You can't see me clearly. All right. Can't see me clearly, but it's okay. Right. It's okay. Yeah, maybe you can see me clearly, yeah? I'm wearing my cap. Yeah, you can see me clearly. Now you can see me clearly. I'm wearing my cap.
I can see clearly now.
I can see it clearly now.
The rain
Right.
is gone.
That's me. All right, I'm wearing my cap. Am I dressed up well today, guys? Am I dressed up well? If I didn't dress up well, let me know. My wife is touching me, so that means I'm dressed up well. If my wife was not touching me, it wasn't going to show that I'm dressed up nicely. So my wife, because of my wife is touching me, so that means I'm dressed up nicely. Yeah, but so she's putting some spray. So I'm in a balcony. You can see there, I'm in a balcony. So, yeah. Right, guys. So anyway, let me just quickly, yeah, we're on a balcony. Let me just quickly end the video. All right, guys. I'm going to have breakfast now. I know, actually, it's lunch, because it's lunchtime now. And I'll see you guys once I'm back. All right, guys? Ciao.